There are three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. It's easy to study the properties of solids and liquids, but when it comes to gases, it's a challenge. It's a challenge to study the properties of gases. One important property is density. It's not very easy to calculate or measure the density of a gas. So that is why its density is calculated by comparing it with some other gas. So to calculate the density, we compare it with some other gas, and hence we find the relative vapor density of a gas. So when the density is compared to some other gas, we calculate the relative vapor density for any gas, that is abbreviated as REL for relative and VD for vapor density. Now let's see how we calculate the relative vapor density for any gas. This is done by taking the mass of volume V of a particular gas and dividing it by mass of volume V of hydrogen gas. So the mass of any particular gas is compared to the lightest gas, which is hydrogen. So the same volumes of the two gases are taken, and the mass of volume V of the gas, the particular gas, is divided by mass of volume V of hydrogen gas. Let's see what we get. So we get that mass of one molecule of a gas divided by mass of one molecule of hydrogen gas, because Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of all gases under same conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. So when we are talking of the same volume, volume V, they contain the same number of molecules. So let's take one molecule for both. So we get mass of one molecule of the gas divided by mass of one molecule of hydrogen gas. We know hydrogen molecule is made of two atoms, that is H2. So we get the relative vapor density equal to mass of one molecule of the gas divided by mass of two atoms of hydrogen. Each molecule of hydrogen is made of two atoms, so we divide it by mass of two atoms of hydrogen. Now we can also write this as mass of one molecule of the particular gas divided by 2 times the mass of one atom of hydrogen. So when we take this 2 on the other side, we get 2 into relative vapor density equal to mass of one molecule of the gas divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen. So you see that the relative vapor density is the mass of one molecule of the particular gas that we are talking of divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen. If you remember, the mass of one atom of hydrogen is equal to 1/12 times the mass of one atom of carbon-12. This is because the mass of one atom of carbon-12 is 12. When we take 1/12 its mass, we get 1/12 of 12, which is 1. And we know that the mass of one atom of hydrogen is also 1. If you are calculating in atomic mass unit, this is the units for both, that is atomic mass unit. So the mass of one atom of hydrogen is equal to 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon-12. So for the same equation, that is mass of one molecule of the gas divided by mass of one atom of hydrogen, we can replace the denominator by 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon-12, because all the time we take carbon-12 as the reference. So we substitute the mass of one atom of hydrogen by 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon-12. Are you reminded of anything by this? What is the relative molecular mass? The relative molecular mass of any substance is the mass of one molecule divided by 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon-12. This is what we got here. We got 2 times the relative vapor density equal to mass of one molecule of the particular gas divided by 1/12 the mass of one carbon-12 atom. So when we look at this, we get the relative molecular mass of the gas. So twice the relative vapor density is equal to the relative molecular mass of the gas. So this is an important relation, that is 2 times the relative vapor density is equal to the relative molecular mass of any gas. And so from this we get the relative vapor density of any gas is equal to the relative molecular mass of the gas divided by 2. So to calculate the vapor density of the gas becomes easier. We know we can simply calculate the relative molecular mass of any gas. When we divide it by 2, we get the relative vapor density of any gas.